As of December 2025, WhatsApp's QR code feature is a primary way to quickly share your contact information or link devices. To find your personal QR code for sharing, open WhatsApp, tap your profile picture in the top right corner, and select the QR code icon next to your name. To link a device, go to Settings, then Link Devices, and tap Link a Device to activate the scanner. Point your phone's camera at the QR code displayed on the device you want to link. Remember, these codes are designed for quick, contactless sharing and device linking, embodying WhatsApp's focus on ease and privacy. WhatsApp QR codes are designed with security in mind, featuring end-to-end encryption. Always ensure you're scanning a legitimate code, as phishing scams can use fake QR codes to compromise your account. WhatsApp has implemented measures to combat this, including enhanced security updates and a high success rate in encrypted QR sessions. Experts advise caution and awareness when scanning unfamiliar codes. The codes are dynamic and session-specific, expiring after a short period to enhance security, such as 24 hours for linking. Always verify the source before scanning.